Hello friends, welcome to Digital Inquiry. Hope everyone healthy and safe. Today in our channel we are going to talk about new LIC endowment plan. Features of new endowment plan. Combination of protection and saving. Yes, during the term the policyholder will get protection and end of the term the maturity amount will be payable. The maturity amount should be sum insured plus bonus plus final additional bonus if any. And in this policy, the policyholder is eligible to buy loan also and income tax benefit under section 80C. The premium what you are paying that you can show under section 80C in income tax, that is up to 1,50,000 can be shown. And all riders options available in this new endowment plan. AB, that is additional accidental benefit, and ADDB, that means accidental death and disability benefit and critical illness and term rider. So these all the riders options available in new endowment plan with paying small additional premium. And LIC having a 99.8% claim settlement ratio. This is highest in the industry. And let me check eligibility. Minimum basic sum insured is 1 lakh rupees and maximum sum insured is no limit. You can choose any sum insured, and minimum age entry is 8 years and maximum age entry is 55 years. Here you can choose this policy for your children's also. That means the age entry is 8 years, so you can choose it for your children's benefit also. And maximum maturity age is 75 years and minimum policy term is 12 years and maximum policy term is 35 years. So let me check with the monthly savings. If you are choosing this new endowment plan, if you are going for the monthly savings, what all the total maturity amount you will receive, let me check. At the age of 25, a person purchases a new endowment plan at the age of 25. The term is chosen is 25 years. So monthly, if the person saves 1,000 rupees, he will get returns after 25 years 8,21,500 rupees. And if the same person age 25, if he saves monthly 3,000 rupees, then the person will get after 25 the maturity amount is 25 lakh 4,250 rupees. If age same 25 age person selected a term 25 years and he is saving monthly 5,000 rupees, then the person will get maturity amount of 41 lakh 73,750 rupees. And if same person if saves 10,000 rupees per month, and the person will get 83 lakh 47,500 rupees. So now you understood why you have to say monthly amount. So according to this amount you can choose any amount and you can get the maturity amount. This maturity amount, it may be helpful for your retirement or your children's education purpose or your children's marriage purpose or your any other financial purpose. Let me check with an example the survival and maturity benefit. Age 25, the person purchases a new endowment plan at the age of 25 years and policy term is 25 years and sum assured is 10 lakh rupees. The yearly premium he has to pay is 36,494. This is excluding GST. These all premiums are excluding GST. And off yearly is 18,449 and quarterly is 9325 and monthly is 3108, 3,180 rupees. So the GST has to be paid only 4.5%, not 18% comparing to the other competitors. LIC consider GST percentage is only 4.5%. So that is also for first year, and second year onwards it is 2.25%. So this is the lowest GST is applicable in LIC for all the policies. And if I already given the example of this age 25 and term 25 and sum insured is 10 lakh rupees and premium. So the person enters at the age of 25 and continues 25 years term at the age of 50. When the policy completes, the maturity amount, the lump sum amount the policy holder will get, that is sum insured is 10 lakh rupees and bonus amount he will receive 12 lakh rupees. The bonus will be calculated per thousand on 10 lakh rupees per thousand. At present, the bonus will be declared every year. This 25 years each year the bonus will be declared by the LIC. So that approximately I can take on the rate per thousand is 48 rupees. Okay, so 10 lakh rupees is a 1000 rupees, 1000 times. So into 25, that is a term, and into 48 rupees. If you calculate this, you will get a bonus of 12 lakh rupees. This rate will be variable for every year. I have taken approximately 48 rupees. And FAB, final additional bonus, this is paid only one time at the time of maturity. This is completely depends upon the term. A person choosing a term for 15 years and above, he will get the different rate. So according to this 25 years term, the person will get for 450 rupees per thousand. So 10 lakh, 10,000 times into 1000, it is 10 lakh rupees. So it is 450 rupees, 1000 into 450. The final addition bonus will be payable 4 lakh 50,000. So total rupees 10 lakh, 12 lakh and 4 lakh 5,000. This comes total, the maturity amount is, and total benefit on this policy is 26 lakh 50,000 rupees. The person pays a total premium of 9 lakh 12,350 rupees for 25 years, and he got a returns, that is rupees 26 lakh 50,000 rupees. So I hope you understand this maturity benefit. So this policy, if you are really looking for some savings, then you can buy this policy. Let me check the death benefit. We'll take the same example, and person enters at the age of the 25 and maturity is at the age of 50. But in between that, if persons becomes a natural death, that is after 10 years at the age of 35, if person becomes a natural death, the policyholder nominee will get sum assured plus bonus, that is total rupees 15 lakh 28,000. In case the same policyholder, while buying the policy, he included accidental rider with paying small additional premium. If he includes the accidental death benefit, the death is happened due to accident, the policyholder nominee will get sum assured plus bonus plus accident benefit. So this total amount comes to around 25 lakh 28,000. The policyholder paid for the 10 years, the premium is 3 lakh 64,940 rupees, and total returns or benefit in this policy, the policyholder nominee will get 25 lakh 28,000 rupees. This is including the additional rider of accidental death. And another two riders options also available in this policy, that is accidental disability benefit. Disability benefit means the policyholder completely taking a bed rest due to accident, is alive but still is not able to do anything, it is completely taking a bed rest. At this time, this accidental sum insured, whatever the policyholder is chosen, that accidental disability benefit rider of sum insured will be paid to the policyholder. And also the critical illness benefit, this critical illness LIC has fixed some 15 critical illness, that is a major diseases like cancer, kidney failure or blindness, like that there is a 15 diseases. If any policyholders are facing this issue, after purchasing the policy, during the policy term, this amount will be payable to the policyholder immediately. So this is very good benefit of these riders. And please, while including this rider, you have to pay small extra premium. Premium is depending upon your age. If you want to know about this new endowment plan premium, if you are looking for to save some money, if you want to know according to your age the premium, please WhatsApp to my number 94493272243. And also, if a person choosing the premium mode, if you are choosing a yearly premium, you will get 2% discount, and if you are choosing a half yearly premium, you will get 1% discount. If you are choosing quarterly or monthly, you will not get any discount on premium. And other features of new endowment plan is free lookup period. That is, if a person purchase a policy today, after before 15 days, if he is not satisfied of the features of this policy, or if he is looking for any other different policy in LIC, then he can submit the bond to return and submit the bond, and he can take the premium what he paid. That has to be done within 15 days of the policy start date. And paid up value, a person after 2 years, if a person is unable to pay the premium, he stops the premium, then the insurance coverage will be protect the policy holder. the amount what he paid, only for that amount the insurance will be cover. Earlier this is not given, but right now this paid up value is given. This option is available in new endowment plan. And policy revival, this is within 5 years. If a person purchases a policy after a few years, if he is unable to pay the premium due to some financial issues, so he can pay within next 5 years, he can pay the premium for all the dues and he can continue the policy. This option also available. And loan, after 2 years of continuous policy, the person if required any loan, he can purchase from this policy. And settlement option, of when the person is getting a maturity amount, he will get lump sum amount of maturity. At the time, if a person choose, okay, I don't want this maturity amount as a single time, if I want 5 times, 10 times, 15 years like that, the person can choose the settlement option and he can utilize this option also. For example, a person getting a 10 lakh rupees maturity amount, he can tell the LIC to provide him every year next 5 years 2 lakh rupees for next 5 years, like that 10 years, like 15 years, like that he can having this option in this new endowment plan. And I hope I have given all the information about the new endowment policy. So if this video gives you the information of the policy, then please click on like button and share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Meet you in next video. Till that, stay healthy.